Barbie and horse. And somebody is very excited to tear into this guy. So let's go ahead and open her up. Thank you. Okay. So we got this guy at Walmart. Let's see how much. For $24.88, and you can find the exact same one on kidin.com for $34.99 for the exact same toy. We got this guy at Walmart, so basically $25. Wow, okay, let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tethers. It's got this weird... Has this on it, and I'm having the hardest time getting this off without cutting the hair. Just throwing it out there. No. It's okay, mommy, figure it out. It's like sewn into the hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's all the hair that came out of it, so it's not that bad. But still, that was a pain in the rear, so heads up on that. All right, now for the expert inspection. Looks like it comes with a saddle and some reins and a helmet for Barbie so she can be safe while she's riding her horse. All right, playtime. Oh, did she have an accident?
Take a boo-boo.
Oh, good job.
It's in here, Barbie. Sit. Open it.
Blow harder. Good job. You got it. Oh, thank you, doctor, so much for helping my horse.
Oh, welcome.
I'll pay you right away. You can pay for my bill with my card.
$80, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh. Comments, general comments. I'd say it's a good toy. Barbie's just like any other Barbie. The boots come off, the shirt comes off. You can dress her. The bridle comes off, the saddle comes off, the reins come off on the horse. So the horse looks like it can be interchanged as well. I would be willing to say this is a girl's toy. However, I personally feel that toys don't have a specific gender. Anybody can play with any toy. But this would technically be a girl's toy. Fun rating, she's having a blast. I'm going to rate this one a 5. She's having a really good time with it. Educational rating, you know what? We're going to go ahead and give it a 1. You could learn the parts of the horse. You know, you could learn that's a saddle, that's a bridle, you know, the reins. You know, there's a few different things you could learn here. So it's not very educational. It's not like a leapfrog educational toy, but, you know, it has some educational value. Overall rating, I give it a solid 4. I think it's a pretty good toy. I mean, for $25 at Walmart, you can't beat it. Is it a good value for the money? I'd say so, because it looks like, oh, we got a Barbie down. Because it looks like it's going to bring her a lot of joy in the years to come.
My toy. I really do.
Yeah, good job.